All right, this is a cordless drill. I picked this up for home repairs and projects. It's very decent. It's got a good ergonomic grip to it. Feels good in my hand. I like the look of it too. I mean, that's not a primary motivator for me, but it's always nice when it looks good. It's got 2 speeds. It's different torque patterns, and again, it can go up to, it works for drilling as well as multiple settings for doing screws. It is chuckless, which means, or a keyless chuck, which means you just have to hand tighten it. What's really nice about that is there's no chuck to lose. When you trigger it, the light goes on the battery, or above the battery. The batteries themselves, it comes with 2 of them, which is nice because you can keep one charging while you've got the other one in action. And you can always check to see how charged they are just by hitting the tester button on each of them. They charge with this lightweight 12-volt charger. 21 volts, 1.5 milliamps, or 1.5 amps. It also comes with a 13-piece bit set. Not bad. It's a couple standard drill bits and then several pretty common screw bits, as well as an apex adapter. And it all fits into this really nice case for it. Everything velcros into place so it's not loose and floating around. So it's ready for use whenever you need it, wherever you need it. Altogether, it's a great kit. I wholly enjoy using it. It makes repairs a lot easier. It's always easier when you got the right tools. And yeah, very nice setup.